This is February 22nd. I'm just documenting some more bits and pieces with the, you can see from the computer here, bits and pieces problems with the iPhone 6 Plus replacement that I have. So here's the phone. I'm going to attempt to open my mail. You can hear I'm tapping on the screen, nothing. Let's try my messages. I want to do this with holding the iPad at the same time. Nothing. Nothing. And I don't know if you can see the screen is flickering there. So I'm going to hold it down, see if that does anything. Nothing. I don't know what to make of this. This is the second phone that this has happened. So I'm going to have to go to maybe a 7 or an 8, but this certainly is odd to have the same problem all over again. Let's try the home button. Okay, so now I'll double click and I'll try and, so I have no response when I try and swipe up. I've double clicked. Nothing. Nothing. So that's today's update on my faulty touch screen on my iPhone 6 Plus, and now it's moving on its own again.